How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about how the cost of general liability insurance is determined for contractors here in the state of Michigan and some of the key factors that go into calculating that premium. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals on their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance and also help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First up is payroll. As a contractor, insurance companies will look at your payroll amounts as a major indicator for your business size and level of risk. The more people you have on staff, the higher exposure, which will generally mean higher premium. And then next is subcontractor costs. If you hire subcontractors for any sort of work, insurance companies will take that into consideration since it does increase the overall exposure of your business. The costs and risks associated with subcontractors can directly impact the cost of your insurance, especially if they are performing higher risk jobs. Another important factor in all of this is your claims history. If your business has a history of frequent or large claims, you will typically face higher premiums. But on the other hand, maintaining a clean claims record can definitely help keep your costs down. So it is always a good idea to keep safety and risk management as a key focus for your business. Your coverage limits will also play a role in how your premium is determined. If you choose higher coverage limits, then your premiums will be higher. Typical coverage limits will start at $1 million per occurrence and $2 million as an aggregate limit. In some insurance companies do offer higher limits like $2 million per occurrence and a $4 million aggregate. And if you are looking for additional liability coverage, that is where an umbrella policy and excess liability policy might come into play. Overall, it is about balancing the right amount of protection for your business to make sure that you are not underinsured, but at the same time not paying for additional coverage that you might not necessarily need. Another factor in all of this is the type of work that your business does. Every insurance company will look at each trade differently because each does come with its own set of risks. So most insurance companies do have different rates for each trade, such as with roofing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC. So working with an insurance company that has the best rates for the type of work you do is extremely important as well. And finally, it is very important to know that there are audits for general liability insurance. Similar to other types of insurance for contractors like workers' comp, the premium for general liability insurance is also subject to an audit. This means at the end of the policy period, the insurance company may review your actual payroll and total subcontractor costs to make sure that the right premium amount is being paid. So if your business activity increased, then there might be additional premium that you owe. But on the other hand, if your business activity was lower than expected, you could receive a refund or a credit to your next policy term. So what does this mean for you? For smaller contractors with limited payroll and lower subcontractor costs, you could see your general liability insurance premiums starting at a couple $100, few $100 a month. But if you have a larger operation with many employees and a lot of subcontractor involvement, the cost can go up significantly, going into thousands of dollars per month. Again, this will all depend on the size of your operation and the factors that we discussed. So thank you for watching. And if you are a contractor looking for help with your general liability insurance, your commercial insurance program as a whole, please feel free to reach out. I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out the form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.